Gateway of Tally Introduction. Menu Options 1. In Tally Prime, the gateway of Tally consists of button panels apart from the main screen. Let us understand the button panel in Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, starting from the top left corner, the Tally version name and type of license is displayed, such as Tally Prime Silver version of license. Next, company details. To do Tally company data related configuration, company menu option is used. The shortcut key for the company menu option is Alt-K. The company menu option displays multiple sub-menu options such as Create to create a new company in Tally Prime, Alter to alter the active company details in Tally Prime, Change to change the active company in Tally Prime, Select to load the new company in Tally Prime, Shut to close an active company in Tally Prime, Edit log to track transactions maintained in the data and editing log of vouchers, Change user to login Tally data with another user's login ID, Change password to change the password of Tally data security, Users and passwords to create and configure multiple Tally users in Tally data, User roles to set multiple security level of Tally users in Tally data, Password policy to configure the password of users in Tally data, Online Access Connect to connect Tally data to Tally.net server, Remote Access to configure Tally data to be accessed remotely, Browser Access to configure for browsing Tally data, F11 feature to activate and deactivate accounting, inventory and statutory configuration of Tally, Security to configure security related to Tally data, Tally Vault to activate the Tally Vault password in the data, and Online Access to configure online access of company data. Next, Data. The shortcut key for the Data menu option is Alt-Y. Under Data menu option, we can access features like Backup, Restore, Split Company, Repair, Migrate, Data Path Configuration. Exchange menu option. The shortcut key for the Exchange menu option is Alt-Z. We can exchange Tally data online through Exchange menu option. Example, data synchronization, sending details for e-way bill and e-invoice under GST compliance. Import menu option. The shortcut key for the Import menu option is Alt-O. Through Import menu option, we can import masters, transactions, bank details, and GST related information, Tally data, as well as through configuration, we can set import related information. Export menu option. The shortcut key for Export menu option is Alt-E, through which we can export reports, returns, data like masters, transactions available in Tally in different formats. Through the configuration menu available in Export, we can also set export related configuration. Gateway of Tally Introduction. Menu Options 2. Export menu option. The shortcut key for the export menu option is Alt-E, through which we can export reports, returns, data like masters, transactions available in Tally in different formats. Through the configuration menu available in Export, we can also set export-related configuration. Next, Email option. The shortcut key for the email option is Alt-M. Through Email option, we can directly email any type of reports and vouchers from Tally Prime. To set up email-related options, we can use the option from Configuration submenu. Print menu option. The shortcut key for the print menu option is Alt-P. Through the print menu option, we can print any type of vouchers and reports in Tally Prime. To configure the printing related options, we can use the configuration submenu given in the printing menu option. Help menu option. The shortcut key for the help menu option is F1. For any type of help in Tally, we can use the help menu option. Starting with Tally help, for any type of help in Tally, we can use the help menu option. What's new? To know about the latest information available in Tally, What's New submenu is used. Upgrade. To upgrade to the latest version of Tally Prime, the Upgrade submenu is used. Tally Shop. To buy any type of add-on in Tally Prime, the Tally Shop submenu is used. Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting information like event log, data repair, delete views, save after all companies, repairs, migrate, delete view information for this company, reset e-way bill, login details can be troubleshooted. In the Settings submenu option, license, language, country, startup, display, connectivity related information can be configured easily. TDLs and add-ons. To configure any type of customized TDLs and purchased add-ons in Tally Data, TDLs and add-ons sub-option is used. About. About menu option is used to know more about Tally. Next, Alt-G, Go to Report. Go to Report feature is a powerful tool of Tally Prime, with the help of which we can navigate directly to any report without closing the existing page. Additionally, the F2 and F3 buttons are displayed in the right button panel. F2 Date button panel is used to change the current date on the gateway of Tally. Along with this, the financial period of the company data can be changed on the gateway of Tally through the Alt F2 button. F3 Company button panel is used to change the company displayed on the gateway. Is used to select Tally menu company, and Control F3 Shut Company button panel is used to close existing company in Tally. Overall, a Tally user must have complete knowledge of gateway of Tally. Complete information including main screen as well as button panel.